What's your name?
Bahog Bilat. Bahog Bilat.
Bahok Pilat. 안녕하세요. Hello. Where are you from? Colombia. I'm from Korea. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a live streamer. Could you say hi to my camera? 자, 여러분들, 콜롬비아에서 온 친구네요. How to say? Hello?
Kemelati.
케멜라디. 케멜라디. 콜롬비아에서 온 친구. What do you do in Korea?
Travel.
Travel. 여행하러 왔다고 합니다. What do you think about Korea? Do you like it?
Yeah, it's too cold. I love it.
Cold. You like cold weather?
Yeah, I love it.
What's your name?
Bahog Bilat. Bahog Bilat.
Bahok Pilat.
Yeah.
Bahok Pilat. 이름이 Bahok Pilat. How old are you? Can I ask you?
22.
22. 22살이라고 합니다. 22살. Are you mixed blood?
Pure Colombian.
Pure Colombian. 혼혈은 아니고 pure Colombian이래요. What do you think about Korean guys? Do you think they are hot? No?
They're hot.
They're hot?
I like the way they look, the way they get up.
They dress.
Yeah, they dress. Yeah,
아,
I love it.
한국 남자들이 좀 이렇게 괜찮아 보인대. 옷 입는 방식을 너무 좋아한대. What about compare your country guys and Korean guys? Who do you more like?
Colombian is hot. Korean is cute.
Oh, really? 콜롬비아 남자는 약간 좀 섹시하고 콜롬비아 남자는 좀 섹시하고 여기 한국 남자들은 약간 뭐라 해야 될까? 귀엽다? 귀엽다라고 하는데 귀엽다. Do you think I'm hot or cute? Me.
You're hot and cute.
Huh?
Hot and cute.
Hot and cute.
Yeah.
나보고 섹시하면서 귀엽기까지 하대. 이거 쉬운 거 아닌데. Can I ask you what's your job? What do you do? What do you do? What is your job?
I'm a model.
Model.
Yeah.
모델이네요.
I'm a model of cosmetic and perfume.
코스메틱 화장품 모델.
Wow.
화장품 모델이라. 화장품 모델. Cosmetic.
Yeah, and perfume.
What about like clothes or
Clothes. Yeah,
Clothes.
clothes as well.
like I think you are hot, so you can be like a underwear model.
I know underwear, just clothes.
Just clothes.
Yeah.
Never do underwear model.
No.
Never. Or like a bikini model.
No, I can't do that.
You can do that? Why?
I just don't like it.
You don't like it. 그러니까 화장품 모델도 하고 옷 모델도 하고 그래가지고 내가 몸매가 이렇게 좋은데 혹시 속옷 모델이라든지 아니면 비키니 모델을 하냐 그런 건 안 한대요. 그냥 그런 거 싫어한대. Do you have a lot of friends in Korea or
No, not
no?
really.
Really?
Because I just arrived. Like, I don't have a chance yet to meet people.
You want to be friends with me? We can hang out together.
Yeah, why not?
Why not?
Yeah, why not? Yeah.
Instagram or yeah, we can be friends. BLMANTD. BLM. Oh yeah, that's me.
Okay.
Yeah, follow me and send me a DM.
All right.
Alright? 야, 잠깐만 이 친구 이름이 뭐였지? You don't speak Korean, right?
No.
Not at all.
I know Korean,
이 친구 이름이
but
뭐였지?
it's really bad.
Really bad? Say something.
Shibal Shikya.
What? That's a bad word.
Yeah.
욕을 배웠네. 욕을 배운 친구네. Have you ever seen a Korean guy in your country?
Yeah,
Oh, really? Korean people go there a lot?
yeah.
한국 사람들 콜롬비아에 많이 가나 보다. 그러니까 콜롬비아 안전하냐? 인터넷 컨디션 좋냐? 왜냐하면 이 친구를 보고 나서 콜롬비아 가고 싶어졌어요. 그냥 콜롬비아 가서 방송하면 될 것 같은데. 진짜 내가 술 한잔 사고 싶어서. Maybe not today.
Yeah.
We can contact each other and maybe before you go back, let me buy you a drink, okay?
All right.
Let me treat you some really delicious food in Korea, alright?
Wow. Thank you.
You have fun, alright? Thank you for interview.
Yeah.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.
Veronica.
Yeah.
My name is Clark.
Clark.
Yeah.
I remember it.
See you later.
Yeah.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye.